This website is created entirely by AI for free. Every element, from the images to the text, has been generated by AI. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional website like this with the help of AI. So, let's get started. Alright, click the link below to sign up with the GetResponse AI Website Builder. Click on Tools and then Website Builder. Create Website. Next, it's going to ask you how do you want to build your site. Click on Use an AI-powered builder. Now, it will ask a few questions about the type of website you want the AI to build for you. For example, I want to create a website related to men's clothing. So I will input men's clothing. I want a business website. Next, under Tell us about your business, make sure to provide detailed information about the type of website you want the AI to create. Be specific and try to give as much information as possible. In my case, I simply entered, create a stylish and functional website for our men's clothing store. Once everything is done, click on the next step. Here it is asking you to choose what are the additional pages you want in your website menu, along with what kind of features you want to have on your website, like a chatbot, cookie consent banner, pricing table, etc. If you have any testimonials, you can add them as well. Choose what you need and click on the next step. Choose what color scheme you want, along with your own custom logo. Now just wait for AI to magically craft a beautiful website in no time. There you have it. Your website is ready. You can tweak the entire text, add your own content, and include images. Everything is customizable, so feel free to play around until you settle on what you like. One of the best features of GetResponse is that you can add your own custom domain for free. Simply register a domain from your favorite registrar, or if you already have one, point the domain to the GetResponse name servers. You will then have a website with your own custom domain. You can track the complete performance of your website, including how much traffic you are getting to specific product pages, the devices and locations of your visitors, all the essential details you need to run a successful business.